Neisseria gonorrhea, an STD that may easily develop and spread in warm, wet parts of both women's and men's reproductive tracts, is the bacterium that causes gonorrhea. Also susceptible to growth are the lips, throat, eyes, and anus. Gonorrhea can transmit from mother to child after childbirth and by touch with the private organ, mouth, or anus. A simple, bland diet is beneficial for treating gonorrhea. Eliminating spicy meals aids in reducing inflammation and irritation. Reducing the quantity of saturated fat in one's diet to the greatest extent possible is another natural method of treating gonorrhea. Avoid items that are baked, deep-fried, high-fat dairy products, fatty animal sources, or include added saturated fat. 1. Garlic. Because of its antibacterial reputation, garlic is a trusted natural treatment for bacterial illnesses. A 2005 study examined how garlic extracts and products affected gonorrhea-causing bacteria. 47% of the items examined demonstrated antibacterial effectiveness against the bacteria, it was found. Garlic is used because natural plants are particularly effective in driving away bacteria, despite the importance of modern medicine, which cannot be overstated. 2. Ginger. The growth of oral infections has been shown to be slowed down or even stopped by ginger components. In one study, ginger extract was found to have potential advantages over antibiotics in treating Staphylococcus aureus and S. pires infections. Additionally demonstrated to be antibacterial, ginger has a beneficial effect on periodontal and respiratory infections. 3. Listerine. The growth of the bacteria known as N. gonorrhea in the lab and in the mouths of older males who tested positive for the infection was found to be prevented by the mouthwash brand Listerine, according to recent research in Australia. 4. Chamomile. The plant chamomile is well known for being calming and relaxing. In a study done at the American Research Institute for Transmitted Disease, the herbs show promising results. It aids in removing inflammation and other gonorrhea symptoms. 5. Golden seal. Studies have demonstrated the antibacterial characteristics of the strong native plant golden seal, which are effective against gonorrhea. A safe and efficient treatment for gonorrhea involves boosting your immune system's reaction to the Neisseria gonorrhea bacterium. If you have high blood pressure, a heart ailment, liver disease, are pregnant, are nursing a baby, or are taking any medications, you should not use golden seal.